Well, hello everyone. I'm here. I came to a family member's house um, to showcase their property a little bit. She has a bunch of plants and fruits. All right, I'm here at the front of the house. There's some papaya tree, a plant, and look what we got here. Nice and sweet. All right, you're gonna go to the back of the property. We have some pineapples, more papaya, some sweet potato. This is some Cuban variety. Some cachucha pepper. More papayas. And on this side, on the side of the fence, she's got some passion fruit growing. Got some Cuban corn. This is chirimoya. I don't think it's gonna grow enough. Needs some sunlight. Got more corn. And here we have some guanabana, soursop. This one has a lot. Look at that. This is a Spanish plum tree, otherwise known as ciruela. She has a lot of aloe vera on the side of the fence. Papaya. And another soursop tree. I'll be taking those two. Está pesado. This is a Cuban variety of avocado called Catalina.
Mira.
¿Salgo ahí?
Sí.
This is the soursop tree. Look at that. This plant produces so much, some fruit throughout the year. She has a lot of friends that have, they have cancer. They come over to get some leaves and the fruits, so she just gives them out. ¿Esta cuál es? Esta es amarilla. This is passion fruit. This is the yellow variety. And on this one, this is the purple one. Passion fruit. Here she has a pepper, cachucha pepper from Dominican Republic. Produces a lot. Some lime, some lemon tree. Chirimoya. Asa anon. Oh, this one is the sugar apple. Pepper. It needs water. Here she has mulberry tree. She cuts the branches once in a while so it regrows. Some banana plants. And mango. All of that tree had to be cut into pieces because of the hurricane. In the center of the property, she has a mamey sapote, which is a sapotilla. If you can see it. This used to produce a lot of fruit, but since the last hurricane we had here, they had to cut all the branches from the top of the tree. Here's another soursop tree. It's full of flowers, and it has a few fruits. Didn't produce as much. This is the famous Catalina avocado. It's a Cuban variety. It's actually native to Cuba. The avocados are either heavy or long. Here we have some cachucha peppers. This is a sweet pepper variety from the Caribbean and South America. We Cubans, or even people in the Caribbean, use it for all kinds of food. It's a sweet pepper, but it has so much flavor that you have to really be careful how much you add to the food, because otherwise you'll be just eating peppers. And actually, she started this plant from the seeds that I gave her. On this side of the fence, we have another Spanish plum tree. It used to be a humongous tree. Obviously, this type of plant, when you cut it, it'll regrow. And that's the only way it can be propagated, is through stem cuttings. Here we have some bananas. Look at that. Some sugarcane.
La que te guste, mamá.
Está dura. Moving to this side, we have the pink guava tree. Produced a lot of guavas this year. Let's see if I see any fruits left. I don't think there are. Ahí viene.
Pero aquí después para el otro lado, que hay una cantidad, el otro. En esos días estaban los americanos que viven ahí sentados.
¿Qué te dieron queja?
No, todos muy grandes. No, son bien chéveres.
¿Tú no comes, Maggie?
No, te digo que no me dejan ir al baño si voy y si me las como.
Here we have a pomegranate tree. She started from seed. Another avocado tree. Peppers, more Spanish plum, bananas, papayas. Look at that. It's a lot. Some culantro or cilantro. This is a tamarindo tree. It just grows, it doesn't produce any fruit yet. Well, that was it, guys. I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the different kinds of fruits that my family is growing in this house. Out of all of them, obviously my soursop is the favorite one, and the mamey sapote. Those two are very healthy.